In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eyedroppers for color matching in Photoshop. Whether you're a graphic designer, a photographer, or someone who simply loves working with images, matching colors accurately is crucial for producing visually appealing outcomes. Adobe Photoshop has an array of tools to help you achieve this, and today we'll focus specifically on how you can effectively use the eyedropper tool for color matching. First, let's open up Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you have the latest version installed, as updates can sometimes include improvements and new features that enhance your workflow. Now, with Photoshop open, you'll want to add the image you'd like to work with. Simply go to File in the top menu, click Open, and select your desired image from your files. Once your image is loaded, it's time to navigate to the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool is a fantastic feature that allows you to sample colors from an image or any other part of your computer screen, and it's incredibly handy for ensuring that your colors match perfectly across different elements. To activate this tool, you can either click on the eyedropper icon in the toolbar on the left side of your screen, or for an even quicker method, press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. This shortcut lets you quickly switch to the eyedropper without interrupting your workflow. With the eyedropper tool active, position your cursor over the color you want to sample from your image. You'll see that clicking on a color with the eyedropper instantly picks it up, and you'll notice that the newly sampled color appears as the foreground color in your toolbar. This enables you to use the sampled color in your artwork, ensuring perfect color matching every time. Additionally, you can take advantage of the eyedropper tool's flexibility. By holding down the Alt key while clicking, you can quickly swap between foreground and background color selections, which is incredibly useful when you're working with more complex designs or need to switch colors on the fly. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that you can change the sample size used by the eyedropper tool. By default, it might be set to only a single pixel, but you have the option to adjust it to an average of 3 by 3 pixels or even larger. This is particularly useful when you're working with less distinct areas or want a color that represents a more general tone rather than a specific pixel. In summary, the eyedropper tool in Photoshop is an essential tool for any user looking to master color matching. By understanding how to select and use colors effectively, you'll be able to enhance your project's visual consistency and appeal. So practice using the eyedropper tool in different scenarios and elevate your Photoshop skills to new heights.